Dual Sport Motorcycles 2025, Honda XL750 Transalp. The 2025 Honda XL750 Transalp has quickly become a standout in the dual sport motorcycle market, captivating riders with its blend of advanced features, reliable performance, and striking design. Engine and performance. The XL750 Transalp is powered by a new 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a robust 92 horsepower and 65 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides a perfect balance of power and efficiency, making it well suited for both off-road adventures and highway cruising. The 6-speed transmission ensures smooth gear transitions and optimal performance across various terrains. The bike features a fully adjustable suspension system, including a 43mm upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock. This setup allows riders to fine-tune the suspension for different riding conditions, from rugged trails to smooth roads. The adjustable suspension also contributes to enhanced comfort and stability. Technology and features. The 2025 XL750 Transalp is equipped with an array of modern technologies designed to enhance the riding experience. It includes a full-color TFT display that offers real-time information on navigation, riding modes, and performance metrics. Multiple riding modes, such as gravel and touring, enable riders to tailor the bike settings to suit various environments. Safety features include advanced traction control, cornering ABS, and an electronic throttle control system. These technologies work together to provide better stability and control, ensuring a safer ride. Additionally, the bike offers integrated luggage options and a high front fender, making it practical for long journeys and off-road excursions. Design and comfort. The XL750 Transalp boasts a rugged yet refined design, featuring a high ground clearance and durable crash protection. Its sleek, modern aesthetics are complemented by practical elements such as an adjustable windscreen and comfortable seat. The bike's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, whether tackling challenging trails or commuting through urban environments. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XL750 Transalp excels in the dual sport category with its powerful engine, advanced technology, and versatile design. Its ability to handle both off-road and on-road challenges makes it an exceptional choice for riders seeking a reliable and stylish motorcycle for various adventures.